This is Alan. He is our unwilling application muse, yet is incredibly articulate.
All right, guys. Hey, I guess.
And very graceful.
So I'm just gonna dig some of this.
Here he is going to demonstrate a frequently asked question.
We get a lot of questions from everybody. We figured we'd address one that we thought was pretty cool. It was line
About whether you can replant and reuse your aggregate after applying TerraLock bed and border bond.
Let's do this. All right, hey guys, we get a lot of questions from everybody about how to use our product and depending on the situation. So we'd like to go ahead and answer one of those questions, which was, can I replant after I've applied your product? And the answer is yes. It's pretty easy. Yeah, it is. It is pretty tough, right? Like that is tough, but it's possible. The cool thing is, and I'll show you, I'll move this stuff out of the way, is that you can replant and you can reuse your mulch. You peel it up, and it might be a little tough at first. So I'm gonna start at the edge. Right, see how it moves? Moves as one. It's locked in there. All right, see? So I'm just gonna remove. So this is what it looks like, right? And then underneath, it's just holding it in. Cool thing about this is, with enough effort, you can just break this stuff up again and it's not a problem. You just reuse it. That's what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna go ahead and break some of it up so it reincorporates later a little easier. Go ahead and put this off to the side as well. And then we'll scrape this out. I'm gonna take out this fabric because I don't need it anymore now that I have this mulch glue. This mulch glue is keeping everything where it needs to be, and it's preventing sunlight getting down to the seeds below. It has a little bit of weed inhibitor kind of built into it, just in the application of it. So once you get all that mulch up, you can just go ahead, about the same procedure that you do when planting any other plants. Just go ahead and do it as normal. And then after you're done, you're gonna take that mulch, put it back to where it was, and you're gonna respray 4 to 6 hours. Assuming there's no rain or you're not irrigating it, then you're good to go. You can already see the dirt eroding away right there as I water it. But that won't happen when we put this back on. You definitely want to wear gloves when you're reapplying. It's not great, mainly because it's really tough, right? And you might get a splinter or two. So definitely keep that in mind. All right, so we're back here. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add a little bit more of this mulch, and then we're gonna go ahead and respray it. But to answer your questions again, can you replant after putting in mulch that's sprayed with our mulch glue, our bed and border bond, this stuff? Yes, you absolutely can. Makes it so easy, not only to apply our product, but also clean up. You don't have to sit there and pump a bunch. You don't have to clean out sprayer tank. It's very easy. You just plop it in, you spray, you pull it out, you put it in some clean water, spray until it runs clear, you're good. Remember, you want to make sure that you're putting a lot more product on your border, like right here, right, than anywhere else. Because that's what's going to help lock it in better. You're going to get a better result and better outcome